Everybody, Mike here. We're going flying today, and we're going up to this hill way out in the middle of nowhere. We're just going to fly around through these trees and just work on getting some airtime. It's been a while, so that's it. Nothing exciting. We got the quad. We're going flying again, and if you haven't watched before, we're flying our long-range Naked Blackmagic Cinelifter, which works like a champ. Anyways, that's all there is. Let's go flying. Okay, that's VTX is up.
Alrighty.
Okay, we got power 20.7. We got 16 sats. We got 4 green bars up there. They're all connected. We're at max lower right. We're in altitude 6 feet. The home point looks good. We're in air mode. We're ready to fly, aren't we?
Well, ready to arm the motors.
Oh,
now.
dude.
Start the Blackmagic camera then.
Okay, you got a...
I got a red light.
You got a red light. Okay, good.
We're gonna break in 6 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna try that. I'm just...
Okay.
We're in air mode. Okay, I guess we gotta fly now.
Check home distance, altitude, sats, take off. You're up.
Look at these trees. Okay, we gotta watch some power here, because I'm gonna be watching for trees.
You watch the trees, I'll watch the power.
Return home arrow's working. I think my FPV camera's a little higher than it used to be. I was messing around with that, you know? But that's okay.
Coming back.
Look at that tree right there. Shit.
Yep.
That one's tall. See that guy right in front of us?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Let's kind of just slowly go out here and see what other ones are out here like that.
Okay.
You still got eyes on me by chance?
I got eyes on you. You're right in front of the big stumpy one in front of me.
Okay, the big blockage?
Yep.
Well, we got signal. There's nothing over here as far like that. There's another tree blockage. I'm gonna go to the right a little bit.
Okay.
There's a green tree here I gotta watch out for.
I see you.
You still see me good though. I'm up really high though. I mean, above these trees.
Yeah. You're in front of trees right now.
Well, these trees in front of us?
I lost sight of you. You went behind.
I'm gonna come in after our 1 o'clocks. There we go.
I got you at 1. I got you're good.
We just got a couple trees right near us here that are like bad. Right here.
Yeah.
There's some low pointy trees right there.
Coming up on 1,000 milliamps.
Okay, good. Yeah. There's a tree to the right.
I got eyes on you yet.
You still see me?
Yep.
I'm gonna head. I'm to the right of your blockage tree.
You're just a little bit to the left of my blockage tree.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. Then I'll keep going.
You're right straight in front of me right now. Now you're going to my left.
Okay, I'm gonna head towards the big hill. And head towards the
now
clear cut. Goddamn flies I think are landing on my legs, but oh well. We're good. Look at my left knee. My left knee, is there a bug on it?
Just a sec.
Okay.
My antenna wants to drop.
Oh, well, there's a tightening knob on the left.
I'm going to tighten it here.
On the left?
Yeah, on the left. Yeah, I see it. There.
Gone. He's okay, right?
There's nothing on your left.
Okay, that's good. I'll let you go back to the antenna then. A little bit of a wind. So I'm pointing to the big hill out front.
Alrighty, I got you.
Okay, we're at 1600. Flying 27 miles an hour. I'm just trying to film.
1800 milliamps.
Okay, I'm just trying to see what we can see here. Look, there's Baker in the clouds.
Yep. That's good.
Where's our home point? There's our road. Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
I went up that high, that fast?
Yep. $2,000 milliamps.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Oh, straight out. Oh, that's the road to the right to the trees.
Uh-huh.
Oh shit, I almost went to the wrong spot. I was going to the right, off to the lower right corner.
Oh.
We're straight ahead. I'm looking at the return to home arrow now.
Uh-huh.
Going, oh, okay.
You're straight ahead.
I almost went back to the wrong spot. Dumb. You got, okay, I see where we're at now. We're in this green.
Yeah. I don't have eyes on you right now.
I'm gonna be coming down off of your 1 o'clock position.
Okay.
Right near the gnarly tree that kills us, right in front. Here we go.
I got you. I got eyes on you now.
Well, that was good to see where the hell home point is.
It's also good to see that these trees aren't causing too much disruption here in front of us.
Let's fly a little lower in the trees in front of us here.
Okay, I see you. So you're right in front of a tree, the big tree in front of me right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
But you're not breaking up. That's good.
Okay, we're at 6 minutes. After I get over these trees, I'm gonna break.
Okay. You're also...
I'm gonna be blocked here in a minute.
2600 milliamps.
Okay, good. Let's get higher. I'm going to break, restart. So I've restarted that. Let's go back to the point, the big mountain.
Okay, I got you here.
$2,900. We'll go this way from right to left.
Okay.
Should get some break up here as we cross.
3100.
31, very good. There's our trees in the foreground breaking us up. You're pointing to the big hill.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to snake my way up the big hill here. I should be towards the left ridge of the big hill, I think.
That's where I'm pointed right now.
Am I near the left ridge of the big hill?
Uh-huh.
Well, no, I'm still going up. My bad. I'm still going up the big hill. The right side of it.
Mm-hmm.
3,600. Air's not bad up here.
Uh-uh.
Another tree block up, Blake up. 37.
There's Baker.
Okay, there's our road where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
God, 57 miles an hour? That doesn't look like it.
4,200.
Okay, yeah. That was a good breakup. We finally had our good tree break up there for a second. I'm going to come down. See us.
4,500. $46 miles an hour. Got eyes on you.
10 minutes in. Cool, that was fun. 4,800, status check. Lots of sets. Let's we got 5,000. We got room to do that again? I don't know. Yeah,
I think so.
Probably do. Let's go up there again. Watch the power, big time. Right at the volts, 3 point. I'm gonna break the file right here while I'm doing this.
Okay.
Okay. 5,300. I need to land at 8. $5,500, 3.2.
36 miles an hour.
We should have some tree breakage right around here.
4,000 feet out
5,600. Here's our tree breakup.
now.
I'm just taking a shot here, you know? 5,800.
16.7 volts.
3.35 volts. Right here, it just wants to break up good. That's good. 6,000. I can do one more. And my voltage is getting lowish. I'll get closer to trees here. Somebody shooting? Sounds like it. Watching trees. This is where that tree practice has paid off.
Yeah. Oh, your nice pass. Yeah.
6,400, 3.2 volts. We already broke the camera twice. We just film around here a little bit, I guess.
Okay, I got eyes on you.
Still got eyes on me, huh?
No, you just went behind a tree now.
$6,700, 3.22. I want to see how low I can go through this shit. We're going to get some trees now breaking us up.
Mm-hmm.
$6,900. I'm just staying close to home, you know, since we're getting low on power. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
What was that? Something fell?
That was the recorder fell down.
The recorder? Oh, the audio recorder.
The audio.
Got a little clip on the back of it.
Yeah.
Okay, 3.18, 7.7200. Okay, so where are you doing that? Right, where are you pointing at now?
I'm sort of pointing at around 11 o'clock low.
Okay, yeah, let me check out these trees to our left.
Okay.
This edge, right, you know, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We gotta land in 700 or 800, you know. Whoa, that was a close tree.
I got eyes on you now.
You still see me? Shit, that looked like it was so close. Okay, we're getting our voltage low. I gotta come back.
Yep.
That was a good shot though, going through those trees.
Mm-hmm.
78, 77.
7,800 there.
I should probably think about landing. Cool, we got some video in.
We got 1645 in so far.
Well, we won't push it, you know.
Yeah, you'll get a...
No cars are coming.
Nope, you're good.
See if we can kick up some dust now.
You're lining right up on it there. Coming in.
Ah, too close. I'll just put it there.
Too much dust.
Yeah. Okay, let me go post checklist here. Okay, I need 17-minute flight and change. I think I stopped the recording on it. Okay. Oh, that was some good stock footage.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is a nice little flight.
Yeah, we've never been here. Okay, we still got the red ball going here.
Still got the red ball going here.
That'll stop that. You got the recorder there, okay.